channel Shailja Singh. So today I've come up with yet another DIY, and yes, that sheet mask. So sheet mask has become an instant hit nowadays, and you can find n number of sheet masks available in the market. But what is sheet mask? Basically, it's a face-shaped sheet soaked in a solution called serum, and it is super easy to use. So basically, sheet mask originated from South Korea because people there have flawless skin, and we all want skin like them. So in market, a normal one will cost you around 100 rupees and advanced one will cost you around 350 rupees. Well, you have that option, but why don't you use your own sheet mask with your own serum that is specifically for your skin type and that suits to your skin? So in today's video, I'll be telling you guys 3 super easy DIY serums that you can make all by yourself. But before that, let's learn how to make your own sheet mask. You can find the facial sheets available on Amazon also for DIY purpose. I will mention the link in the description box, but I prefer to make my own sheet mask using the wet wipes. You can use any wet wipes. I am using Kara ones. Now, wet wipes has fiber in it, and so does the sheet mask. So you have to take one wet wipes like this. Now stretch it to its maximum level like this. Now after stretching it, see, you have to fold it like this. Fold it in 2 sections and again fold it like this. Now you can see ये portion थोड़ा ऊपर है इसके, so you have to fold in the similar way. Now just keep it on your face, just so to know where your eyes will be. So here will be my eyes. I would suggest never use any marker or pen for marking your eyes and nose, because that's very harmful, because ultimately you're going to use it on your skin, and marker and pen has some sort of chemical in it which is not good for skin. So yes, eyes are ready. Now I have to cut my nose. Now just open this section. After cutting your eye section, open this one and make a cut like this here. So this is my eyes and my nose. Now this area is my lips. So you have to cut it like this. And your sheet mask is ready. So guys, before using your sheet mask or before dipping it into any serum, make sure you wash it thoroughly, because this contains some sort of solution already.
So this is the sheet mask that I have made with the help of wet wipe, but before using it into any solution, we should wash it thoroughly, because this contains some sort of solution which I definitely do not want to use it on my skin. So for washing it, we need to dip it into the water. Wash it thoroughly and then just squeeze it gently. Now keep it aside to dry. Meanwhile, I can prepare the serum. So let's start with the first serum, that is Hydrating Serum, and for that we need aloe vera gel, I'm using it from Greenleaf. You can use any brand of your choice, cucumber juice and half a lemon. एलोवेरा जेल में एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं जो कि हमारे इनफ्लेम स्किन को सूद करने के साथ साथ एक्ने को रिड्यूस करता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो रिच इन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स लाइक बीटा कैरोटीन, विटामिन सी एंड ई दैट हेल्प इम्प्रूव द स्किन नेचुरल फर्मनेस एंड कीप द स्किन हाइड्रेटेड. नाउ क्यूक्यूम्बर जूस हमारे स्किन के वाटर कंटेंट को मेंटेन करता है, मॉइस्चराइज करता है, एंड इफ देयर इज़ एनी पफनेस इन योर स्किन इट ऑल्सो रिड्यूसेस दैट. And as we all know that lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid that helps in brightening and lightening of your skin. Now to prepare this serum, we need to mix all the ingredients together. So I am taking generous amount of aloe vera gel here. Now there's no specific measurement for the ingredients, but yes, the quantity should be such that it soaks the entire sheet mask. Add cucumber juice to it. Now it's time to add the lemon juice. Now one tip for you guys. You can also add vitamin E capsule to all your serums, and trust me guys, you're going to love the result and it's actually going to work wonders on your skin. Mix everything really well. Now soak the sheet mask into this solution. You can squeeze the extra serum from this sheet mask and voila, your sheet mask is ready to use. So our next serum is green tea serum, and for that we need green tea and honey. मैंने यहाँ ग्रीन टी पहले से ही बना लिया है एंड हनी आप किसी भी ब्रांड का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Now green tea has anti-aging and antioxidant benefits that help delay the signs of skin aging, sun damage, age spots, fine lines and wrinkles. Honey on the other hand, it moisturizes our skin, and अगर आपकी स्किन पे कोई डार्क स्पॉट्स या रिंकल्स के निशान हैं तो ये उनको रिड्यूस करने में हेल्प करता है, एंड इट ऑल्सो रीजनरेट्स योर स्किन सेल्स. Now to prepare this serum, mix everything really well. And do not forget to add the vitamin E capsule. And here you go, your serum is ready to use. Now our last serum is our brightening serum, and for that we need coconut water. मैंने यहाँ coconut water को already एक jar में store कर लिया है, and you can also store this for 7 days in refrigerator. And raw milk. Now raw milk में lactic acid होता है जो कि हमारे skin tone को even करता है, and it is excellent for skin brightening. Now coconut water is rich in potassium and vitamin C, which help to reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spot and suntan, and it brightens up your skin with regular use. Now इस सीरम को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमें सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को एक साथ बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स करना है, like we did earlier. And here you go.
Now I have washed my skin and I'm ready to use my brightening mask. So here it goes. We have to keep it for just 15 minutes like this. And meanwhile, you can do anything. You can read books, you can check your phone, you can do some other household chores, and yes. Now it's time to remove the mask sheet. Now make sure you remove it in the upward direction, like this. And best thing is, you don't have to wash it. You just have to massage the excess onto your skin like this, and you're done. Hope you all like this video, and if you find it useful, please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell button so that you be notified of all my upcoming video. Till then, see ya!